Okay, this is John again. Sun visor mirror. So what I did, you look at my previous videos, I glued some hinges in here that I made up. So now it'll open, but I'll drop it and it'll stay up. Okay? And it'll close. What I did is I inserted the tabs first, this side, 1, 2, 3 tabs, and I left the top ones. I didn't push those in because usually you have to take it and tilt it and put it in this way first and then fold it down and then they click in. The only negative part about this is that you see a little bit where it's raised right here. Not a whole lot, but what this allows you to do, I mean, it's not going to come out because it's fastened down here. It allows you to open it and have it stay open without having any springs in it that break the hinges. All right? That's about it.